back to English online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I'm Subhida Joseph, your English teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. Children, today we will discuss the workbook, lesson number 2, the 4 strings band. And we will also revise the textbook. Okay, so let us start today's class.
First, let us revise the textbook. We learned the lesson The 4 Strings Band. In this lesson, we saw the story of Ria and her friends. We saw how Ria formed the 4 Strings Band. Ria wanted to help her family and she wanted to earn some money for grandma's treatment and medicines. So they started the band and many of the people helped them. Grandma and Ria's mother and Sarah's mother, everyone supported them. Their music teacher and their aunt, everybody motivated them and helped them for the practice. Ria is a good girl. That's why she wanted to form the band and earn money and help her family financially. Grandmother is very lovely because she motivated her grandchild and all her friends to start this band. So in this lesson we learned how we have to treat our grandparents, how we have to help our family, and how we have to motivate our friends. And
now let's revise the grammar.
Page number 21 and 22 we learned the grammar model. We learned 4 models in this lesson, that are can, could, may and will. In page number 21, we can see the model can and could. We are using the model can to show the ability, which means she can run 100 meters in 1 meter, I can dance, she can dance, my aunt can play violin, like that. And we also using the model can for the permission. For example, can we leave early today? Can I take your pen? Okay, so that are permission. And we are using the model can for offer. For example, can I help you carry that bag? Can I help you to water the plants? So we are using the model can to show the ability, permission, offer. Next one is could. We are using the model could to show the ability, which is past ability. For example, when I was your age, I could climb up any tree in seconds, Grandma said. When I was in 5th standard, I could read very well. And we are using the model could also to show the permission and request. For example, could I borrow your phone please? Could you sign the file please? Okay, so we are using the model could to show the ability, past ability, and also permission, request in very formal way. The next one is, then we learn the modal verb may to show the possibility, permission, or polite request in very formal way. We are using the modal may to show the possibility, like this task may take longer than usual, or it may rain today. Okay, my uncle may come today. We may go for the cinema. Okay, so we are using the modal may to show the possibility or chances. Then we are using the word may to show permission or polite request in very formal way. For example, may I come in ma'am? May I drink some water? May I open the door? Like that. Okay, so we learned can, could and may. And we also learned the modal verb will to show the future time. For example, I will go for a movie today. My grandmother will come today. I will go to a trip next month. Okay, so we are using the modal will to show the future time. There are different activities in our textbook related to this model. I hope you all completed it. Okay, then we learned the vocabulary in page number 23. That is homophones, the words which have similar sound but have different meaning. In page number 24, you can see the activity there. The next one is punctuation. In this session, we learned about quotation marks. When we quote someone, we put their words in quotation marks. See the sentence, "Is that you, Ria?" She answered in a sleepy voice. In this sentence, "Is that you, Ria?" That is the dialogue. We have to give quotation marks to that sentence. Always remember, we put the full stops, commas, quotation marks and exclamation marks belonging to the quoted sentence within the quotation marks. There are some questions are also there in page number 24. Insert quotation marks were required. The first one is there. Stop, don't move, he said. What did he say? Yes, stop, don't move. So we have to mark quotation to that sentence. Stop, don't move. Second one, Uma said, let us go outside and play. In this sentence, what did Uma say? Yes, let us go outside and play. So we have to mark the dialogue said by Uma. Okay, this is how we have to give quotation marks. Then we had writing session, that is conversation writing, and there is a project to make a drum. Now let us discuss the workbook, the 4 strings band. First let us discuss the grammar. Section A, match A with B to form complete sentences. Here you can see a table with column A and B. You have to match this column, match the sentences. See the first one, as a young child my mother could. Here you can see the modal verb could. Okay, so it is saying about the past ability. So you have to find out the suitable sentence from column B. What will be the suitable sentence? Yes. Third one, C. Swim across this channel in no time. So, as a young child, my mother could swim across this channel in no time. See the second one, could you? Okay, so this can be permission or polite request. What will be the suitable sentence? Yes. Could you tell me the time, please? Okay, third one, this may be. So here we can see the modal may. It can be the possibility or it can be the permission, polite request in a formal way. What will be the right answer? Do it by yourself. The next one, fourth one, also do it by yourself. See the next one, B. Your family is going on a trip to Kerala. Write about your plans in the future time using will. Children, we already discussed the use of the word will to show the future time. Okay, so how we can write? We have to write the plans that when we are going to Kerala, what all things we will do. Okay, so we can write this. We'll go to Kerala next week. My uncle also will come with us. We'll go to Alappuzha for the boat ride. We'll go to Kanyakumari to watch the sunset. Okay, so like that we can use the word will to show our plans in future time. Okay. See the next page, page number 4, that is writing conversation. Saroj and Karim spent the day at the beach. Complete their conversation about the day. So all the conversation will be related to the time they spent in the beach. Let's complete it. Karim, oh, I had so much dash at the dash today. What about you, Saroj? So how we can complete this? Yes. Oh, I had so much fun at the beach today. What about you, Saroj? Then Saroj is saying, yes, me too. But it was so dash, there were no clouds and it got dash in the afternoon. So Saroj is saying about the climate. Then how we can complete this? Yes, me too. But it was so sunny. There were no clouds and it got cool in the afternoon. Karim, you're right, but The dash was not very hot. The waves were dash. So, Karim is saying about the condition of the water. He says, "You're right, but the water was not very hot. The waves were cool." Okay, children, complete the next 3 sentences or dialogues by yourself. All the answer keys will be there in the classroom. After completing these activities, please check the answers.
Children, I hope you all understood today's class. Do the workbook properly and study well. We'll meet next day. Until then, take care and bye.